What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Six. I'm just here messing around with a soundbar. So I want to add some more speakers to it. What I'm gonna do is, as I did before, I drilled out one of these holes. That's right here. Push my wire through. Connect my negative and positive here. Use a knife, cut the clip off this piece that go up into the part that I'm using. So I'm gonna move this right here, break that off. So when I turn this over, my wire that come right out the back of the soundbar. Don't forget, put a knot right there so you don't damage anything. And you see, I'll push everything right here. Now I could add extra speakers. Let's see what it sounds like. Thanks for watching.